Alright, I'm here with a layout, but I could have swore that I did record the first part of this layout process, but I'm not sure what happened to the first part. Like, I hit record, maybe it didn't go, and I thought it did, I'm not sure, but at any rate, we're just gonna have to roll with it. So, my background is Hip Kit Club's Awesome Life, Paint the Town. This is the August kit. This is my third layout using this kit. I'm currently on September right now. Working on September kit. Christmas break begins on Friday, so we have 5 days left of school. Today's Sunday. So I will catch up. Always on Christmas break, I exhaust my Hip Kit Club supply. And then I will scrapbook from my stash, try to use up my old Freckle-Fawn stuff, because I want to subscribe to Freckle-Fawn again in 2021. And I want to, my goal is also for the coming year to use my Cameo more. I do not use it, and I keep looking over there thinking of how I miss it. I used to pre-plan on my Silhouette software and then scrap from that. So I like pre-plan it out, actually put it on my computer, design it, and then, yeah, I miss doing that. I have Halloween and Easter pictures that I put to the side in which to design them through there, because I got tons of Halloween stuff. So I need to do that. Anyway, so my die cuts are simple stories, going places, chipboard stickers, and this is moving day. Yeah. We signed on June 12th. The papers, we closed on June 12th. No, on June 11th. Then, because the owners were in Vero Beach, which is far from where I am. So they did their closing on the next day on the 12th. And so we were given the code Friday night, in which so we could begin moving on Saturday the 13th. So anyway, the truck is, my husband at the time worked at the warehouse in Orlando, and his boss let him use his truck, which he doesn't work for the warehouse anymore. He is now working for Village Movers, closer to where we live, and now I work further. Oh well, all is good. The clear stickers, like the stars and whatnots, those are Mickey Home Sweet Story. UGG, let me see here, UGG is Simple Stories Kate Nash, and then Moving Day is Hip Kit Club's Awesome Day alphabet stickers. So anyway, I wish he worked for Village Movers when we were moving, because then we could have gotten moved quicker and not killed ourselves trying to do all the moving, because oh my gosh, that was a lot of stuff. It was a lot of stuff. So once I put my tile down, that is going to complete my layout. But I decided to scrapbook my moving pictures since this is travels. So traveling, it was a 45-minute drive each trip, and it took us a lot of trips. I was so exhausted. Oh my gosh, I was so ready to be done. But hey, that chapter of my life of renting is done. I'm happy to be owning my house, even though my mortgage is more than my rent, I am okay with that because I own my home. So yay. Anyway, when I have more done, I'll be back with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.